Good morning, dear followers. Finally, the weather is very good, and I go on top of the Mount Barone if I can. So, see you soon, my dear followers. Stay tuned. Well, I have to go on top of that mountain, up there. Well, my dear followers, step by step. What happened here? We don't know. Well. Where I am. Let me see. Okay. Here we go. Now it's time for stop. 10 minutes. Okay. Here we go. Very nice. Wow. That's good. Fresh water. The emergency call. Okay. It's close. That's very nice. Well. I have to walk another 1.5 hours for going top. This is the winter room. Wow. Very cozy. It is. Yeah, maybe it was better with a little stove over there in the corner. Wood stove. Very nice.
The sun recharged my body and my vitamin D, so it's very nice. Take a rest, just a couple of minutes under the sun. Very nice.
Well, from here the view, it's really nice. I'm not on top, eh? He's up there. Good luck. So nice to see all that villages around inside the mountains.
The view from up here is fantastic, and I'm looking forward to be on top of the Mount Barron and see what happens.
I'm almost on top. And over there, the Mount Rose. Well, it's so beautiful. Probably 40 minutes from being on top. Well, I'm not so young anymore. I can see that. But I'm still pushing. Wow. I'm still pushing. Well, it's a bit hard, but the satisfaction of the view, it's amazing. The cross is up there. 5 minutes. I'm still pushing. The power is with me. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Oh. Poor me. My dear followers, I'm on top. Ooh, finally, I'm on top. Enjoy the view with me. Jesus, it's amazing. Here's the Mount Rose.
Look, these mountains. It's like being in another world, full of love, peace, and silence. It's simply perfect. When I'm on top of the mountains, it's like a ritual for me, eating a piece of bread, a slice of cheese, or a tuna fish, or an omelette inside. I really like that.
Here you can see all the mountains and the altitude, and it's like a map, and you can see it over there. Fantastic. So it's time to come back because the weather changed, and when the weather changed so quickly, it's better go, because a couple of weeks ago 2 guys, they called the emergency number with the helicopter because the clouds coming was too foggy and they lost the path. I don't want to do that. I know the way pretty well, but I don't like walking maybe a couple of hours inside the clouds when it's so foggy. So it's time to come back and leave this place. It's very beautiful, extremely emotional. Yeah, the view is 360, so you can see everything from here. But it's time to come back, and that's it. So stay tuned, stay put, enjoy the mountains if you can. If you can't, watch my videos. Sometimes I'm on the mountains, so you can see something. In a couple of weeks my trip is finished, so I have to come back in the big north. I hope it's cold, full of snow, with my invincible van. See you soon, guys. Well, thank you so much, Mount Barone. Thank you so much for this beautiful universe. Thank you so much for the Mount Rose. Who knows, probably this one is the most beautiful planet in the universe. We never found other planets beautiful like the Earth. Beautiful like this one. So we don't know. We have to respect this planet and enjoy it as much as possible. It's time to go down, and I'm very sad. See you. Well, now go down is also tough for my legs. Well, I was over there on top of that mountain and down there. Well, I did something good.
Going down from Mount Barone is a test for the legs. Good luck.
Well, on the way back, I found this hut. It's another one. Very nice. Very nice. Let me see. Oh. Wow. Very good. Oh, it's beautiful. A lot of tables. Well, my car is down there somewhere. I hope still there. Wow. Looks beautiful, especially in the winter with the snow. Looks very nice with the pine trees. Well, good view. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Well, dear followers, the trip on the Mount Barone is gone. So now it's time to driving in another place for half an hour. And that's it. I'm very tired, I have to tell you. But I considering this trip amazing. The weather was good, the Mount Barone was fantastic, the Mount Rose was out, and I'm very happy actually. So, stay tuned, stay put, and see you.